Let's go to some stock picks. Alex, you're going with Bytes.
Yeah, so for those who are not familiar with Bytes, it's a leading pure play software value-added reseller in the UK, right? Focusing on SMEs as well as the public sector. Another way to think of it is pretty much a direct play on cloud, AI, and security for those that only invest in South African or JSE market. Another thing to consider is that Bytes prospects are directly aligned to that of Microsoft. So obviously if Microsoft does well, Bytes will benefit. And at the same time, Bytes is looking to increase the number of vendors as well as expanding the service offerings. So I think that will add to the investment case over time. In our view, Bytes is a good quality company. It offers good growth potential, and a lot of the earnings is backed by cash flow, which is also very important for us. And I think the reason why it's on my radar now is the share price is down about 30% over the last year. And I think it offers a good opportunity to buy, as we like the underlying investment case.
Bytes for Alex. Chantal, Bidcorp.
Yes, so we really like Bidcorp from a long-term investment perspective. We view it as a core portfolio holding, and the stock just looks cheap. So it's trading on a forward P of about 16 times, relative to a long-term history of about 19.5, 20 times. We think an elevated rating is justified because the company has provided excellent return on invested capital over time. They are really skilled in making bolt-on acquisitions, embedding those bolt-on acquisitions into their business, and growing both in that way as well as organically. Food service isn't generally regarded as a defensive sector, but if you look at this company's cash generative profile over the last 10 or 15 years, it does look like it is more of a defensive business. Stock has underperformed over the last year, returning over only 4% relative to the rest of the market, firmly in the double digits. So we think it's a really good opportunity, and the technicals also stack up. The stock has consolidated quite nicely around its 200-day moving average.
Perfect. We'll leave that there. That's all for Stockwatch tonight. Thanks to our guests, Alex Duys and Umthombo Wealth going with Bytes, Chantal Marx, FNB Wealth Investments going with Bidcorp. Coming up, the close. Stay watching.